arrival at the sawmill, hardwood logs are graded by size, quality, and natural characteristics. The logs are then put in designated areas to wait for loading into the sawmill. Once a log is scheduled for sawmill processing, it's brought in and moved to the debarking station. Here, the debarker automatically shaves off the bark and removes any embedded dirt and debris from the skidding operation. The log then moves to the head saw operation. Here the log is cut into a long square timber called a cant and trimmed for maximum board quality. After the head saw, the log is forwarded to the ripsaw station, where it's cut into several more pieces, creating boards with the best possible color and character. The resulting boards are then passed through the edger. Here, the operator uses infrared saw guides to determine the best edge cuts for each board. After edging, the boards go to the trim saw. At this station, the operator decides how much, if any, needs to be removed from the ends to make useful board lengths for the rough mill. At the final stage, boards are stacked and transported to the lumber yard, where they're tiered with dividers for optimal air drying. Throughout this process, any defective boards or wood scraps are removed from the line, chipped, and used as wood-burning fuel in Harden's daily operations. Any resulting sawdust is vacuumed into separate storage areas and distributed to local farmers who use it for animal bedding.